Come on. Come on. We know you're still a little bit frightened. Come on. Come on. You have to have one of these. 4. Oh, you should be looking at the camera, you.
So, you're happy that the people donated these collars to your dogs in Switzerland?
Yes, very nice.
Good. It's
Very
useful.
nice. It's my hands are not very good for to. Oh, you're
But
gonna
it's
fall.
useful.
Yes, I need with this heat now, the fleas and the bloods of the ticks. It's a big problem. And the front line is so expensive. Oh, I'm very happy for these. Very happy. Really. Ooh. Very happy. I know. I'm hopeless, yeah, Mummy. I'm too stiff. It's my... There now. Oh! What you say? Watch I don't cut your ear off. What you say? Thank you. Oh, it's still a bit frightened. Most of the dogs are ready. You know, for a long time. From a long time ago. They're ready, they're microchipped, they've had all their injections. All of them are neutered, all of them. You know, it's just the end thing was for them to have a home.
What's the story with this beauty?
Jade came here maybe 6-7 years ago, and she came with 2 babies, and the lady was Swedish and the husband was Scottish, and they wanted to take her back to
They asked her
to stay here to do the
quarantine.
quarantine, and I never seen them since. Never seen them since.